Hello everyone, this is lesson number 10, HSK free, and let's continue to learn new words. The first word for today is 服务员,服务员. It's waiter or waitress. 服务员. So, let's see. 服务 it's a service or to serve to someone. 员, it's a person who does the job. As you can see, he looks like a boy running and do some job for other people. Or it could be worker on factory, in restaurant. So employee. The first sentence, the waiter gives me a glass of water. 服务员给我一杯水. 服务员 the waiter 给我 gives me. As you can see, here is 给, it's to give something, not for. Sometimes it's preposition for, but here is 给 to give something. 给我一杯水 one cup of water or glass of water. 一杯 it's one glass of something. So 服务员给我一杯水. Give me a glass of water. Next one. The waitress is very warm-hearted. It's a new word. 服务员很热情. And it's a new word. I think we will see this word in this in next few lessons. 热情, it's a hot. 情, it's emotion, heart, soul. Hot emotions or hot feelings. 热情, warm-hearted. 服务员很热情. The waiter is very warm-hearted or kind sometimes, or very very kind to guests. Next one, he works as a waiter in the restaurant. 他在餐厅做服务员. He 在 at somewhere. 在餐厅 it's a restaurant or cafe, but mostly restaurant. 他在餐厅做. Here 做 it's to do something, but in English it's as something, works as someone. So 做服务员, he do a job of waiter, he does a service of it, or just he works as someone. 他在餐厅做服务员. Next word for today, because as you imagine, there is a waiter, there is a guest or customer. 客人, it's a guest. 人 is a person, so 客人, guest. For example, the customer ordered a piece of cake. 客人点了一块蛋糕. So 客人 customer. 点了, we know 点 as a dot. 点, for example, 一点 a bit. Here is 点, it's the real translation it's point or dot, but here's 点, it's to point or to put a dot, to put your finger to point at some, for example, at some picture in menu, or to point at what do you want to eat. So that's why they use 点, because you use finger to put a dot to point to somewhere, to what do you want to eat. So 客人点了一块蛋糕. 一块 it's a piece of something, for example, cake, and 蛋糕 it's a cake, because 蛋 it's a short version of 鸡蛋. chicken eggs, but here is just eggs. Dang. And gao, I think it's for old Chinese variation of bread or cake. So modern is 蛋糕 piece of cake. 客人点了一块蛋糕 a piece of cake. 蛋糕 This gao really a bit hard to memorize, but put your attention on 客人. Next one. There are many customers in the supermarket. 超市里 just 超市有很多客人。超市 it's 超 first one it's super. It's super just like 超市 like in Superman. This 超 and 市 it's I think it's from 城市 the city, the place where you can city manipulate market. One of the translation is market. So 超市 it's supermarket. 超市有 has 很多 a lot of 客人 customers. 超市 no 超市有很多客人。Next one. The guest is very enthusiastic. 客人很热情 Before we saw it as a warm-hearted. Here is enthusiasm, passion, warm, welcoming, fervor, passion, and enthusiasm. So friendly. A lot of translation of one word. So mostly I think passion, enthusiastic, passionate, friendly, and sometimes helpful. Welcoming. Welcoming also good. So this person is really good. 客人很热情. The guest is very enthusiastic, but also can be warm-hearted. Why not? Next one is 超市 supermarket. I buy fruit in the supermarket. 我在超市买水果。我在超市买水果。As you can see, 3 third tone in a row. We need to change this one and this one. First two to second one. 买水果。我在超市 I'm at supermarket. 买 to buy something. 水果 fruit. 我在超市买水果。Next one. The supermarket has a lot of cakes. 超市有很多蛋糕。超市 supermarket 有很多 has a lot of 蛋糕 cakes. So 超市有很多的 the supermarket has a lot of cakes. Next one, he goes to the supermarket with the waiter. 他跟服务员去超市。As you remember, 跟 it's with someone. So 他跟服务员 with waiter 去 go to somewhere. 超市 to 超市 go to the supermarket. 他跟服务员去超市。Next one, it's pretty interesting word. It's 比赛 比赛 比 it's to compare with someone. 赛 it's like competition, match, tournament, compete, race. 比赛 let's see. It could be verb, it could be noun. I participate in a soccer competition. 我参加足球比赛. And sometimes it's not clearly when it's tournament, when it's a competition, when it's just one match, football match. But I think it depends on context. 我参加, here's a new word. 参加, it's to participate in some activities. 我参加足球 football. 足 it's a foot, 球 it's a ball. So 足球 football or soccer. 比赛 competition tournament. 我参加足球比赛. Next one. The competition is very difficult. 比赛很难. 比赛很难. Very difficult. 难 it's difficult. So 比赛很难. Next one. He always wins competitions. Oh, that's good. 他总是赢比赛. Here's a new word. 总是 it's always, continuously, or from always, often, constantly, routinely, continually. As you can see, here is one of never, but it's never from, if we put after 总是不要做什么, never do something, or 总是不赢比赛, never win a competition. 总是赢 it's to win, a really hard character, but we don't need it now. Just be in future. Maybe you will see it more times. 他总是赢比赛. He always wins competition. And the last one for today is 照片. It's photograph or photo, or just one photo. 照 it's to take a photo. 片 it's like a card. So together they create a photo. Let's see. I have photograph. Show me photograph. I think better translation is photo. More popular. Photo. Photograph. Photo, picture, image, photography, but photograph.
照片 photograph
，photograph， 照片 photograph。我有一张照片。I have. Here is 一张 it's here is a measure word for flat, square objects. For example, table, photo, and some other things. 一张照片 or you can say 一个照片 but better to say 一张照片. One photo. One piece of photo or one photo. 我有一张照片. I have one photo. Next one. There is someone standing in the photo. 照片里有人站着。照片里 inside the photo 有人 who is a person, there is a person or has a one person. 站着 站 it's to stand. 着 it's continuous action, long action, or shows the process of action. So 站着 这 represent here is now in the state of doing something. For example, standing. 照片里有人站着。照片里 inside the photo 有人 there's a person who's standing. Next one. He shows me a photograph or photo. 他拿照片给我看。It's a bit different from Chinese, from English. Let's see. 他拿照片 he takes the photo or brings the photo. 给我 for me. 看 for me to watch or for me or shows me. 给我看. In English it just shows me, but in Chinese we need to say 他拿照片给我看. Maybe some variation. He showed me the picture. He displayed the picture for me. Also this one good. He presented me with the picture. 他拿照片给我看. Okay, let's repeat what we learned today. 服务员 waiter, waitress. 客人 guest, customer. 超市 supermarket. 比赛 to compete, competition. And 照片 photo, photograph, image sometimes. So be careful this one. 一张照片 measure word for photo. And we have one idiom for today. Let's see. Last time we learned 乱七八糟, messy or disorder. Today we learn 十全十美. 10. 全 it's complete or complete some, and 美 beautiful, or the meaning perfect or flawless. For example, she hopes her life is perfect, or she hopes for something. 她希望生活十全十美. She hopes 希望 is to hope for something. 生活 it's alive. 十全十美 It's very important to learn every day one new item, because one 成语 it's Chinese version of idiom, because it's a very, very cultural thing, very, very authentic. 他希望生活十全十美. So, see you in the next lesson.